Model 2015 Mercedes Vito long 114 2.2 CDI BluTec Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, grey, panel van mileage 105,983 MOT, the 16th of May 2024 engine 2143 cc 651,136 hpb transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs top end is knocking very slightly. This should be a nice easy repair as it is top end rather than bottom. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. This is a lovely looking van in a unique grey color with twin side loading doors features, 0 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,275. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.